Ngatho cia mwanya ni gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega kana nyamu once again akorwo address the detoshigie relationship yake na Samidoh, since Samidoh agikoretwo agitrend the whole weekend ni undu wa performance ya mugithi marakorirwo magika over the weekend. Ndeto iria Karen Nyamu agikorwo address ni ya kuonania kana hihi ni aragika uria angikihota niguo makorwo magicoka na Samidoh, na tutana murika ndeto iyo makiria njitikiria nyambe ngunyite ugeni ringi ni undu wa gwitikira guthie na mbere gutwarana na ithwe. During that time, Karen Nyamu shared a beautiful video of herself agikomete besides her kids with Samidoh, where she captioned the video insinuating at they might have rekindled relationship yao na this mugithi singer fans since mweri wa February riria Samidoh akikorirwo akioha thabari nginyagia kuria USA to visit Eddie and the kids. Makoretwo magiciriria of a possible breakup between Karen na Samidoh, kuna since then Karen Nyamu stopped publicizing relationship eno yao. This recent video Karen Nyamu aragikorirwo agishare on her social media pages iragituma fans makoro makibelieve ati Karen is working towards making sure ati ndugu yake na Samidoh ni ashokoria yari hau kabere na eri aya mashokano. Karen Nyamu shared this video where she captioned the video akiuga ati this is how faithful wives makomaga. According to her, faithful wife spends a time at home with her children when the husband is away. Na kuona Samidoh at the time was away kuria Embu kuria ragithiaga na mbere na show cia mugithi. Karen Nyamu aragikorwo agituma fans meciriria ati she's talking about her spending time with the kids. Kuona Samidoh everyone knew ati ari kuria Embu kuria ragi perform mugithi wake na haria ragikoretwo akiuga how faithful women sleep when you are out of town. Caption iyo egetiga andu magiciriria ati Karen Nyamu ni arageria gukionania to clues twate things are getting better between her and Samidoh, kuona since Feb maundu matigikoretwo magithie wega gatagati wake na Samidoh, kuma riria Samidoh agikoretwo akiohaga thabari to USA to visit Eddie and the kids. And also Samidoh shared something on his social media pages, something that left many guessing if at all Samidoh was talking about his ex-wife Eddie or rather Karen Nyamu. Gutenderithia ndeto yo makiria ndamiaria toria ya ginyera. Make sure you turn on your notification bell na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video cito tucemanie na wa next one.